Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have endless energy, strong bones, and enviable health, while others constantly feel tired, weak, and plagued by aches in the body? The truth is, in many cases, the difference is not a secret supplement or an expensive treatment. Often, it all comes down to something simple in the diet, something so accessible and powerful that it may already be sitting in your refrigerator right now. Kale. Yes, kale, that dark leafy green many people see only as a side dish, is in fact one of the most powerful natural medicines nature has ever created. And what I'm about to reveal can completely change the way you see food, your body, and your long-term health. So stay with me until the very end of this video, because every detail you hear today could be the missing piece you need to build stronger bones, cleanse your body from toxins, and supercharge your daily energy. When we talk about detoxifying the body, most people immediately think of extreme diets, expensive juices, or overhyped products marketed as miracle cleansers. But what very few realize is that the body already has its own natural detoxification system, mainly the liver and kidneys. And for this system to work at its full potential, what it really needs is the right nutrients. That is exactly where kale shines, as the ultimate powerhouse. Kale is loaded with antioxidants, dietary fiber, minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, along with essential vitamins such as C and K. This unique package of nutrients is like premium-grade fuel for your body. It flushes out toxins, reduces chronic inflammation, strengthens your bones, and even supports your muscles. Think about it. While so many people spend a fortune on synthetic supplements, nature delivers in kale a complete solution for just a fraction of the cost. But kale's benefits go far beyond detox. Its regular consumption is directly linked to bone strengthening. Why? Because kale is one of the richest plant sources of calcium and vitamin K, two nutrients that act together like a perfect duo. Without calcium, bones weaken, becoming fragile and more prone to fractures and osteoporosis. Without vitamin K, calcium can't even be deposited properly in the bone tissue. Now imagine the power of having both of these every day in a simple, natural, delicious food. And there's more. Kale also contains magnesium, another mineral critical for bone health. Magnesium helps regulate calcium absorption and supports bone density. In other words, every single leaf of kale can be thought of as a building block, a brick, reinforcing the foundation of your body's skeletal system. Now, many people believe that dairy is the only answer when it comes to strong bones. But here's the truth most don't realize. Vegetables like kale provide highly bioavailable calcium, meaning your body can absorb and use it effectively. This is especially crucial for those who are lactose intolerant or simply want a healthier, cleaner alternative. Beyond bone health, kale is a natural booster of energy and mood. Its high iron content, when combined with vitamin C in the same leaf, improves oxygen circulation in the blood and helps fight fatigue. So when you add kale into your daily diet, you are not just fortifying your bones, you are also recharging your energy and improving your overall sense of vitality. But maybe you're wondering, okay, but how do I realistically eat kale every day without complicating my life? That's the beauty of it. Kale is incredibly versatile. You can blend it into a refreshing green juice in the morning, toss it raw into a crisp salad for lunch, it quickly as a dinner side, add it to hearty soups, or even bake it into crunchy kale chips as a guilt-free snack. And here's something even more exciting. When kale is paired with other natural ingredients, its effects multiply. Take the classic kale, apple, and lemon juice. It's a vitamin C, an antioxidant bomb that flushes toxins and jumpstarts your metabolism. Or picture a kale salad drizzled with olive oil and sprinkled with pumpkin seeds. Here, you've got healthy fats, minerals, and phytonutrients working synergistically to nourish your heart, bones, and immune system. But wait, there's another secret hidden inside kale. It contains compounds called glucose. During digestion, these turn into biologically active substances with strong anti-cancer properties. That means kale isn't just detoxifying your body and strengthening your bones. SHI is also actively protecting you against serious diseases, including cancer. Isn't it mind-blowing that something so humble and affordable could carry so much healing power? And this isn't just theory. Scientific studies back it up. Research from leading universities confirms that regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables like kale is linked to lower rates of cardiovascular disease, better blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and even longer lifespan. Now let's talk about something most people crave: weight loss without suffering. Kale plays a direct role in healthy, sustainable weight management. Because it's rich in fiber, it promotes satiety, curbing that constant urge to snack on junk food. It also regulates digestion, prevents bloating, and supports gut health. In other words, kale isn't just slimming you down, it's cleaning, nourishing, and balancing your body from the inside out. Imagine adopting the simple habit of eating kale every day. Within just a few weeks, you would notice clear transformations: more energy, less bloating, stronger bones, a healthier digestive system, and even a brighter skin glow. These aren't exaggerated promises, they're real. Consistent testimonies from countless people who embraced kale as part of their daily routine. But here's the catch. To maximize kale's benefits, you need variety. If you eat it the same way every single day, you may limit nutrient absorption. That's why it's smart to rotate between juices, salads, soups, and even innovative recipes like kale, pancakes, frittatas, or pies. And here's a golden tip. Always combine kale with foods rich in vitamin C, like orange, lemon, or strawberries. This dramatically boosts the absorption of the iron found in kale, preventing anemia and skyrocketing your energy. Another trick, lightly steaming kale. This simple cooking method reduces antinutrients that sometimes interfere with mineral absorption while keeping most of its vitamins intact. It's one of the best ways to unlock the full nutritional potential of kale, but above all, the magic lies in consistency. Eating kale once a week won't transform your health. The secret is making it part of your lifestyle, integrating it naturally into your meals, so it becomes a delicious, easy, and sustainable habit. Now, pause for a moment and picture yourself 6 months from today. You've been eating kale daily. Your bones feel stronger, your digestion is smooth, your body feels lighter, and your energy levels are higher than ever. Can you imagine the peace of mind of knowing you are actively preventing serious illnesses simply by eating one of the most accessible vegetables on the planet? That future isn't a dream, it's a decision you can make right now. And that's why I invite you today. Don't wait to transform your health. Start with kale now. Include it in your meals. Experience the change in your body, and share this knowledge with your loved ones. Health is not just about you, it's about inspiring and protecting those you care about too. So here's what you need to do next. Stay with me until the end of this video, because I will share practical kale recipes, powerful combinations, and exclusive tips to get 100% of the benefits from this superfood. But before that, I want to hear from you. Do you already eat kale every day? Drop your answer in the comments below, because your story might be exactly what motivates someone else to start their journey toward better health. Now that you've learned all the amazing benefits of kale for detoxing your body, strengthening your bones, and boosting your energy, it's time to take the next step. Remember, knowledge alone doesn't change your life, it's action that makes the difference. Your health journey begins with the simple decision to apply what you've learned today. And here's my special invitation. Subscribe to this channel right now. Here, you'll always find practical tips, science-based information, and natural strategies to transform your life and help you build the healthy body you truly deserve. By clicking the subscribe button, you make sure you won't miss any of the upcoming videos that could be the missing key to improving your energy, your wellness, and your overall quality of life. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so YouTube alerts you every time I upload a brand new video. If this video brought value to you, hit the like button. That small action tells YouTube that this content matters, and it helps this message reach even more people around the world. And speaking of people, remember this. Health is something we share. So share this video with your friends and family. You might be the reason they discover the power of kale and transform their own health. Together, we are stronger. Join this community that believes in the power of nature and knowledge. Hit subscribe, like the video, activate the bell, and share it. Let's spread health, energy, and vitality everywhere. I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to you for being here, watching, listening, and sharing this journey with me. Your time is the most valuable gift you can give, and the fact that you've chosen to spend it here means more than words can describe. Every comment, every like, every share, and every subscription is a reminder that this community is alive and growing. It's not just about information, it's about connection, about people coming together with a shared goal, to live healthier, stronger, and more fulfilling lives. Your support is the driving force that keeps me motivated to create valuable content, to research, to share knowledge, and to inspire positive change. Without you, none of this would be possible. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you for believing in this channel, in this message, and most importantly, in yourself and your potential to transform your life. Keep taking care of yourself. Keep believing in small daily changes. And remember, you are never alone on this path. Together, we are stronger, and together, we can inspire the world.